How can you switch from Npm to Yarn or Pnpm seamlessly? Imagine you're working on a JavaScript project and want to switch your package manager without losing your setup or causing issues. That's what we're talking about today. Moving from Npm to Yarn or Pnpm can seem tricky, but it's actually pretty straightforward if you follow the right steps. First, you need to clean up your current environment. Delete the folder called Node Modules, which holds all your installed packages, and remove the package.lock.json file. This file locks your dependencies when using Npm, so removing it clears the way for the new package manager to create its own lock file. If you want to switch to Yarn, start by installing Yarn globally on your system. You can do this with a simple command if you're using a package manager like Npm itself. Once installed, go to your project folder and run yarn install. This command will read your package.json file and generate a new lock file called yarn lock. Yarn's way of handling dependencies flattens the tree, which can reduce duplication and save disk space. If you prefer Yarn version 2 or higher, known as Yarnberry, you can set it up with the command yarn set versionberry. This version uses plug-and-play mode, which skips the Node Modules folder altogether, making installs faster and saving space. You can enable this with yarn set versionberry and then configure PNP mode if needed. Switching to Pnpm is similar. Install Pnpm globally using npm by running npm install gpnpm. Then, in your project folder, run pnpm install. Pnpm creates a lock file called pnpm lock.yaml. It uses a unique system called content addressable storage, which saves disk space by storing each package only once and linking to it from different projects. Pnpm also enforces stricter rules about dependencies, which helps prevent issues where a package accesses dependencies it did not declare. This makes your project more predictable and reliable. Pnpm is known for faster installs, especially in large projects or monorepos, because it uses hard links to avoid copying files unnecessarily. After installing your new package manager and running the install command, update your project scripts in the package.json file. If you have scripts that use npm commands, change them to use yarn or pnpm commands. For example, replace npm run build with yarn build or pnpm run build. Check your build tools or continuous integration pipelines to ensure they recognize the new package manager. Both Yarn and Pnpm support workspaces, which are useful if you're managing multiple packages in a monorepo. Their configurations differ slightly, so review their documentation for setup details. Finally, test your project thoroughly after switching. Run your tests, start your development server, and make sure everything works as expected. Switching package managers can bring benefits like faster installs, better disk space usage, and improved dependency management. Understanding these core differences helps you choose the right tool for your project's size and needs. With a little preparation, moving from Npm to Yarn or Pnpm can be smooth and quick, giving you a better development experience overall.